Akash, uh, some sound is coming. Thank you, Dr. Sharma. Honorable President Dr. G.P. Singh, esteemed members of Executive Council, most valued members of the society, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to propose vote of thanks on this occasion. On behalf of the society and on my own behalf, I'm thankful to Almighty God for making 74th Annual General Body Meeting a grand success. My sincere thanks goes to our vibrant and dynamic President Dr. G.P. Singh, who has devoted a lot of time during 2 years of tenure to bring all-round development of the society. I'm thankful to our Secretary Dr. R.K. Sharma, who has worked very hard, silently, to apply all the suggestions of the executive body for faster improvement of the society, whether it is the matter of enhancing the members. In 2 years, 418 new members have joined, and by now we are 2,324 effective members of the society. Timely distribution of awards, starting online lecture series, webinar talks, opening of ISGPB Hyderabad chapter, preparing for holding the next election through online, reissuance of fellow certificates, digitalization and uploading of all the issues of the journal on website, for which I'm also thankful to my PhD students, particularly Ms. Monica Corada and Mr. Amrut Khaire, for collecting many old issues from BHU library. I'm thankful to our brilliant editor, Dr. Akshat Talukdar, who deserves all appreciations and congratulations, including his entire team of editorial board, learned referees, and contributors for working hard for quality publication in time, even in COVID-19 pandemic situation. Because of sincere efforts, the impact factor of our journal reached to 0.55 with NAS rating of 6.55, which is an upward trend. Due to their hard work and quality publication, the popularity of our journal has attracted the articles from various countries of the globe. I'm thankful to our dear treasurer, Dr. Amit Kumar Singh, and also congratulate him for accelerating the financial status of our society by adding about more than 16 lakhs in this period, which helped the society to have more than 1 crore of closing balance. Here I once again welcome and congratulate all new members for joining one of the most prestigious societies of the Indian agricultural research. I'm on behalf of the society extremely thankful to our most sparkling and caring Director General ICAR, Dr. T. Mahapatra, who spared his valuable time whenever we were in need with his suggestions, blessings, and helps. Whether it is the inaugural function of the Hyderabad chapter, or award-winning celebration, or inaugural of webinars, lectures, and the financial assistance from the ICAR. I am thankful to Dr. Mangla Rai, the ex-Director General ICAR, for delivering wonderful inaugural lecture on 23rd October 2021. I'm also thankful to Dr. H.S. Gupta, the ex-Director IRI and ex-President of our society, for helping the society with his brilliant suggestions and comments and accepting our request to chair the sessions at many occasions. I'm also thankful to Dr. R.B. Singh, ex-director IRI and ex-chairman SRB and ex-president of our society, who has also helped the society with his valued suggestions and his presence in our almost every activities, even at the age of more than 80 years. I'm also thankful to Professor Venkat Gadwal from Hyderabad, now staying in Bombay.
I am in Thane, sir, now. I was a past president of Indian Society of Cottage Instrument. It is near Bombay. I am here for the last 50 years.
It's our it's our pleasure, sir. You are present here today at this occasion. So we are thankful to you also, sir. Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, once again I want to state that we are grateful and thanking each one of you for helping us to uplift the status of society in our 2 years tenure. Thanking you all once again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. With this, we close this session and thank each and everybody. Namaskar.